Hello everybody, welcome to the cruise control overview. First of all, we have this little wheel that is used to control speed limiter or the cruise control. Next we have two buttons at the back of the controller. This one increases the speed, this one decreases the speed. Then we have a little pause button on the side that you can use to pause cruise control with or resume it. Next we have a memory button at the bottom that you can use to store value that the computer reads from the signs next to the road. And lastly, at the top of the controller, we have a button that controls adaptive cruise control. It controls the distance from the cars in front of you in 3 different values. This completes the overview. Let's now do a little test drive. Welcome to the demonstration part of the video. While driving at above 40 kilometers per hour, I can activate the cruise control by moving the wheel button. And now, when I press one of the buttons at the back, the speed is going to be recorded by the cruise control and will stay at that speed. If I want to increase the speed, I can either be pressing the buttons at the back, or I can just press and hold for larger increments. Since I'm going fast enough, I want to pause my cruise control for a moment by pressing the button on the side, and the car will slowly start decelerating. Let me unpause again and let the car accelerate. Since this version is with adaptive cruise control, the car will only accelerate until it comes close to the car in front of me, and I can change the distance on the adaptive cruise control by pressing the button at the top. Close range, far range, or normal. So as you can see, my speed is set at 135, but the car is not going faster because I'm too close to the car in front of me. Okay? If you found the video helpful, please do help me spread the video to others by pressing the like button. Thank you very much.